we will reduce the retirement age to 55. 55 years old. Why? We want people to retire on time when they still have energy. They are paid their retirement benefits on time. Then pension kicks in. They can engage in other businesses which will support them. But also, it allows the cadre of the civil service and other workers in the middle to be promoted to the top. Right now, people are not being promoted. They even reach retirement age before they're promoted, Luchi. We'll change that to benefit the people. So those who reach that age go, the benefits are paid. Those in the middle are promoted to the top. Those who are at the bottom are promoted to the middle. At the bottom, you create space for the youth, more jobs for the youth. So for the youth out there, you have a reason to support Bali and UPN. You have a reason to register as a voter. You have a reason to stand in that queue while we fight for more machines in all the polling stations. You have a reason. If you need to sleep in that registration center, so be it for a day, because then you're going to have a better life for the next 5 years and beyond. That is the connection that we're making. One small thing, Luchi, leads you to so many other things. That's how the economy is and works. It's interwoven. The PF wants to isolate one piece and thinks they can fix the economy. You can't. That's being simplistic. That is basically having no plan. Before we used to call it Chimbui no plan, CNP. It has continued over the years. And that's the damage you see to the economy. That's the damage you see to the kwacha. That's the damage you see to the cost of living, which has increased. That is why children are not able to get their money, their BC, which we promised them, which we committed to. Take it from me. You're a student. You get the support. You get the BC on time and in sufficient quantums. You don't have to be a child of a PF member, UPND member. You don't have to be related to HH. The qualification is that you are a Zambian.